The boundary between life and death might not be as clear-cut as we think. Scientists have found multicellular life forms arising from the cells of a dead organism, and they're calling these death-defying life forms biobots. Amazingly, biobots can have different functions than the cells did before death. For example, skin cells in frog embryos have tiny hair-like structures called cilia, which are used to shift mucus. But when skin cells from dead frog embryos are placed in a petri dish, they form new organisms that use these tiny hairs to move themselves around the dish. Plus, they can reproduce, not by growing and splitting like you might expect, but essentially by collecting up other cells and building them into new biobots. And human cells can also defy death, grouping into multicellular structures called anthrobots. Not only can anthrobots move around, but they can also repair themselves and cells around them. The green in this image is a stitch that anthrobots built into a damaged neuron. These organisms could one day be injected into humans, deliver medicines, or remove blockages. But at the very least, these tiny beings have introduced us to a third state between life and death.